And I went to a spiritualism school in the UK and talked to those about my gifts and to talk about what's going on. And they really helped me hone in on what they were, not to be afraid of it, and that I didn't have to use my gifts if I didn't want to. It was always a choice, that the spirit world was always a safe place to be. And these are people that have been studying spiritualism for, 35, 40 years. And so for me, it inspired me, and it helped me trust that I could move forward in developing my psychic side, my intuitive side. And so these are the things that it gave me the courage when I got that visit from that loved one, when I felt my higher self, when I started seeing these signs, because truthfully, the spirit path is unique to you, but it is a personal raw walk and a personal responsibility. And I always say with my students that are in my spiritual growth mentoring group, I say, stay in your own lane. Don't worry about what others are doing.
Are you ready to connect with your spirit guides, angels, and loved ones? I'll show you how in my 2-part free Spirit Pathway workshop. You'll learn how to access healing wisdom, messages, support, and love waiting for you. Sign up today.